We're gathered here at Kiripaka towards the Tutukaka coast in Whangarei, and we're gathered at a conference called the Natural Phenomena Conference. It's a nature education conference, and we believe in holding it in the outdoors.
Because then it will give me some idea of what sort of people that are going to see.
Over the whole weekend we have about 160 parents and educators from around New Zealand. We have 4 keynote speakers. It's all about the children, it's all about the younger children, and it's all about adults reconnecting with nature as well.
And so if you're feeling a slight call to action, we really encourage you to step into that. You know, I'm a firm believer that actually nothing really happens until you take action.
So, as far as I'm concerned, from the energies that I picked up this morning, the people who are involved at this gathering are linking into that energy. They are standing in, and it's important, in their own power and wisdom. Te mana motu hake, mai ngā tipuna, mai I ngā atua.
Well, this conference means a lot to me because it allows us to see that the message of reconnecting children to nature is getting out throughout New Zealand. And it's so nice to have the delegates come back each year and say, we've done this, we've achieved this, we've taken another step, challenging the bubble wrap society. And that's what we are really doing, that we are wanting kids to be better risk managers.
They're just hurdles, so I said, I'll put a hurdle on them. And you know what I love about hurdles? They usually go over them, under them, around them. There's lots of ways to get around a hurdle. Sometimes even they just accidentally kick the things, they fall over, and they keep on going. So hurdles, to me, are just a temporary thing, aren't they? So choose your language very carefully because it affects the visual representation you have and therefore whether you think it's possible or not. What picture would you have if you could go a metre further on? Imagine that. That's pretty extraordinary, isn't it? A metre. If you could do that.
Well, this conference means to me, the real power of it is seeing people come together around this issue. It's one of the key issues that we face in modern times, and that issue is simply how we get our kids outside and connected to nature. That so many people here and that people have come from so far away is a powerful thing and is inspiring.
Bringing lots of people together that share in a love of nature and prompting them to think about where we're going as a society and how we manage our children's education and risk management and the messages that we're sending our children.
Ensuring that our children coming through establish a really strong connection with nature.
Oh, this has been an amazing experience. It's a space, a magical, powerful space where we are learning and sharing our love of nature and how we can connect our children with nature. What's resonated with me is that we're all on the same journey, and it's very powerful that we're all connected through our love of nature and our love of children and our love of our beautiful planet here, and we all want to protect it, and we can't ask children to protect it until they fall in love with it, and really that's the essence of this whole conference, that we're helping our children to fall in love with nature. you.